Severe thunderstorm watch number 7. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Harrison County, northern Pottawatomie County, western Shelby County, southeastern Burt County, Washington County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:37 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds of around 60 miles per hour or higher. These storms were located along a line extending from 8 miles south of Tacoma to 7 miles west of Harlan and moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Persia, Missouri Valley, Blair, Kennard, Shelby, Minden, Fort Calhoun, Tennant, DeSoto Bend National Wildlife Refuge, Wilson Island State Park, Neola and Hancock. The warned area includes Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 20 and 34. The warned area includes Interstate 29 in Iowa between mile markers 66 and 95. The warned area includes Highway 59 in Iowa between mile markers 58 and 67. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest level of your home or business. Heavy rain can quickly flood roads, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Harrison, Pottawatomie, and Shelby, and the following counties in Nebraska: Burt